Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my blueberry muffins. So for starters, you're going to keep all your dry ingredients with your dries and your wets with your wets. So you're going to need flour, sugar, milk, oil, baking powder, large eggs, salt, lemon zest, and blueberries. I'm going to have all of the measurements in the description bar below. Now you're going to see me folding in the berries. You're going to want to do that at your last step because you don't want to continuously be mixing your product with the blueberries in it. Then the entire thing is going to be like blue/purple/green, and it's not going to be that cute when they're baked. So you really want those full berries inside of your muffins. Also, a pro tip, before you add your blueberries to your mix, you're going to want to toss them in flour so they do not sink to the bottom of your baking cup. Yes. Now I know y'all see that thing springing back. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to keep these baking videos short and sweet because I know it can be really monotonous trying to be on YouTube, trying to find just a quick and simple, easy tutorial on how to bake something small. I really hope you guys like this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Instead of feeling alone in a group, it's better to have real solitude all by yourself.